hakuna mtu, I don't think any politician can influence PS Omono or Kindiki or IG Kome. We know some politicians are a bit overbearing and they can threaten you and throw their weight around. You are protected. And if you feel that a certain politician has intimidated you, do a confidential letter through your county commander, iende kwa IG, and copy to CS Interior. It will be dealt with. Don't be intimidated by anybody. Again, of course, the ACC, governor nilikuwa nimeongea. Licensing everywhere, Muthomi Njoki, governor wetu asante sana. Kawira wetu, fuatilia, follow the same in Meru. Call a meeting with our officers and review. They'll help you to review. Call what your public health. And dealing with those licenses is very easy. Very few can meet the conditions. There is a way of dealing with those licenses in a review. Because very few can meet the conditions ambayo inatakikana. Mkiambia weke tiles kwa choo ya vijiji, na weke ile choo ya maji, na septic tank na nini, anainua mkono, hiyo bao nafunga. There is a legal way of doing it. You don't even have to, hata kuna mtu anaweza hata kukupeleka kotini. Public health officer wako atakusaidia, andikiwe do A, B, C, D, weka tiles kwa floor. Choo, weka ile ya maji. Septic tank tunataka kuona. Nini, vitu kama 20. Anainua mko? Mimi nachanua nyinyi mtanilipa. Government chemist, I think, is something, Prof, you'll have to look at. This matter has come up in every forum. The threshold for illicit alcohol is based on a report from the government chemist. We are centered in Nairobi. By the time sample in Nairobi, it has gone some chemical reaction. It cannot even be ascertained what it was. I think, Prof, you can consider, we can help you at the National Treasury. At least we devolve this function, at least at the regional level. And I'm sure the governors will be willing to give us space in the general hospitals, and then we can create the equipment and personnel. I think, Susan, is something we can work around. We can work around that one. I think that's about it. Mimi nataka niseme asante kwa kutusikiza. Pole kama tulitumia lugha ambayo haifai, mtusamehe. We are just being truthful. You know, I'm called the truthful man. Hii maneno ya ukweli ndio imenifikisha hapa. Mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. Na sitaki ile nimekuambia inaweza fanyika ifanyike kwako. So it's good to tell you raw what can happen. Ukinyemelea mali ya wenyewe, utapata shida. Shida kubwa. Najua hapa kikwetu kwa mlima professor anajua. There are only two things that are not forgivable and cannot be discussed. Kunyemelea mali ya mwenyewe ama shamba ya mwenyewe. Mambo ngapi?